All right guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to tie my favorite tie knot, the double four in hand. Now a double four in hand is exactly like your simple and classic four in hand knot, except it's got one extra loop around, which means you have to start with the wide end of the tie a lot longer than the narrow end. So step one is to cross the wide end over the narrow end, then bring the wide end behind and wrap it around. Now as you make this first loop, it's important that you keep your finger inside of the wrap. Next, you're going to bring the wide end behind one more time and then wrap it around again. Now, the coolest thing about this tie knot, in my opinion, is when you see people wearing it, you can actually see the double wrap. And the way you achieve this effect is when you bring the tie over for the second time, you leave a little bit of the first wrap showing. Next, you're going to bring the wide end up and over, and then while you're holding the two loops that you've made, thread the tie through. I always like to keep it straight as I pull it through because that helps make a great dimple. So tighten the knot, adjust it, and that is how it's done. Now one thing that I like to do with the double four in hand is to take the narrow end and give it a little tug so it peeks out from behind the wide end. I like how that kind of offsets the pattern a little bit, and it gives the tie a little bit of a unique look and different texture in a way. So this is a great knot, and one of the reasons I really love it is because I have a shorter torso. So a lot of ties end up being really long on me. So the fact that we're making the extra loop around, it kind of shortens the tie, and it's great for people like me with a shorter torso. It makes the ties look much more proportional. It's a great knot for that. Plus, it just looks really, really cool. So very simple, that's how to do it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below, let me know what video you'd like to see next. Follow us on Instagram, visit the website, you know, all that good stuff. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.